Assalamualaikum guys, this is Wasim Nazir and you're watching my channel Super Techno Computers. Today I am going to tell you about computer. So let's go to see something about computer. At first we should know what's computer. Basics of computer presented by Super Techno Computers. Index. What's computer? What's of computer? Types of computer. Functions of computer and uses of computer. So what's computer? A computer is a programmable machine. The two principal characteristics are: first one is it responds to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner. Second one is it can execute a pre-coded list of instructions. Parts of computer. There are mainly four parts of computer. That's monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Other parts of the computer are speakers, microphone, RAM, printer, hard disk drive, scanner, ROM. Types of devices. There are mainly three types of devices. That's input device, storage device and output device. Input devices. If you want to draw pictures, type a letter or listen to music, you need to give some instructions to computer. It's done with input devices. This set of instructions is called input. What's output devices? Output is the result given by computer after processing the data or instruction given to the computer. Output can be in the form of text, pictures, images and sounds. What storage devices? When you draw a picture or record a sound, it can be used even after many days or months. It's because you can save the data in computer storage devices or external storage devices. Types of computer: microcomputer, mini computer, personal computer, supercomputer, laptop and tablet. Use of computers. Computers are used in smart classrooms while we use smart boards and interactive boards. Computers are used in saving videos and images from closed circuit TV, CCTV. We take online exams and get instant results through computers. The financial transactions in the bank are done through computers. They provide speed, accuracy and convenience. We use computer in automated teller machine. Robots are controlled by computer software. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my channel.